Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can add Revolut virtual card to your Apple Wallet. It's very easy thing to do. What you have to do first, collect your Revolut virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then open Apple Wallet. Now, after opening your Apple Wallet, tap on the plus icon from here. After tapping on it, you will see available options here. Then from here, select debit or credit card from here. Now enter your card details, your card expiration date, security code, card number, and then follow the prompts, and your virtual card will be added to your Apple Wallet. So that's it. That's how you can add your Revolut virtual card to your Apple Wallet.